Hello everyone, welcome back to Pyleap course. In this video, I will demonstrate on opacity attribute and random model. So for that, I have already drawn one rectangle here as my background. So it's working fine. So basically, what I'm going to do here is I will import one image. Now my rectangle is overlapped by this image, so I want to make this image a little bit transparent. So for that, we have to use opacity method. So I will make this image a little bit transparent. So for that we have to use opacity method. Maybe around 0.5. Let me check this. Now you see that my image is a little bit transparent. So regarding this value, the opacity takes a value from 0 till 1. If I give here 0, the image will be fully transparent. And if I give it 1, that means my image will be opaque. You see that? Now if I give somewhere like 0.3, it should be partially transparent. This is how we use opacity in Pyleap. So next thing is I want to demonstrate on random model. We have used a Pyleap model. Same like this, we are going to use a random model. So for that we have to first import a random model. From random, I want to import two methods, that is rand int and choice. So actually this random model has around 22 methods. We are going to use only rand, int and choice. For example, let me draw one circle here. So basically the first attribute it will take is the x coordinate, but I'm not going to specify the x coordinate here. Rather, I want to pick a random number. So for that I can use rand int, and then it will take like two arguments. For that I want to take from 0 till 640. 0 till 640. What this will do is we are not exactly specifying the x coordinate here. Rather, we are picking a random number from 0 till 640. This 0 is also included and 640 is also included. So same like this, I'm going to do with x coordinate. For that, I will pick a random integer from 0 to 480. And then next, I should give the radius. So and then the color. For that I want to use a choice method. What this choice does is actually it will pick an element from a given sequence. Like for that color I want to create one sequence here. Like I will give around five color choices. For the circle color I want to choose any color from this color sequence. So for that I have to use choice, and then I will pass a color here. So let me draw the circle here. Circle draw. Now you see that first it has picked some random integer value from somewhere here like 516, y coordinates of around 29 or 30, and then color it has picked green. So let me run this code once again without any modifications. So now you see that it has picked a random integer like x coordinate. For x coordinates it has picked 22, and then y coordinates 473, and the color is still green. Now it has picked color black, and then it has randomly picked a x coordinate and y coordinate. This is how random model works. So next thing is, if your opacity is not working, please make sure that you use window.clear method. Let me draw this circle repeatedly. So for that, command is put, paste it in a repeat loop. So circle.line, then I want to draw here. Now you see that it's randomly drawing so many circles. Maybe I will put some delay time in here so that I can see the changes. Maybe for 1 second. Yeah, this is how random model works in Pyleap. So basically, this is a basic idea on how random model works, and then how the opacity works in Pyleap.